In this video, I'll detail how to change live speech voice on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you're using live speech on your Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to change the voice, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do, we want to change live speech voice on Apple Watch Series 9 or X9 is press the two crown just once to exit the watch face, and you'll be taken to the app menu or app list. Then here, you want to click on the settings icon. Then one of the Apple Watch settings, just scroll down until you get to accessibility and then click on that. Now once selected accessibility, use the two crown to scroll down until you get to live speech. So just scrolling, just keep scrolling. Then you see live speech, then tap that. Now to change your live speech voice, all you just need to do is scroll down. Then you see your current voice, Evan, then click on it. Then you see the list of what voices you can choose from on the live speech. Then click on the voice you want to choose to. You can use Siri. Then try Siri 1. Then speak sample.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Then for you to use this particular live speech voice, you need at least 496.6 megabytes to download this. Then if you try Siri voice 2, then you should see the same thing. Click on speak sample.
Hi, I'm Siri.
If you are satisfied with this, go ahead and download the voice. Otherwise, just scroll down and then choose another English and see there is English India. Then this is English Australia. Then scroll down, this is English UK. Then try others here. Then click on it and then speak sample.
My name is Jamie. I am a British English voice.
You see that? Now for you to use this live speech voice on your Apple Watch Series 9, just click on download Jamie. Then once you hit that, then hang on, you can see this is downloading. And once the download is completed, you'll be able to use the voice. Then click on use voice. Then speak sample.
My name is Jamie. I am a British English voice.
Now when next you turn on live speech on your Apple Watch like this, then you triple click the two crown to show live speech here. Then you will be prompted to type in anything you want to say. So let's say live speech. And this is going to use the current voice or the newly selected voice on your Apple Watch. So live speech watch. Then click on send.
Live speech watch.
You see that? So that's how you can easily change live speech voice on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.